Are you looking for a couple of good snack mix ideas? It's the holidays.
And people need snacks.
Are you looking for some really good snack mix ideas?
Yes, I am.
Well, you're in luck because today we are making two snack mix recipes. One is a sweet sriracha snack mix recipe, and the other one is a savory spicy snack mix recipe. Right?
Sounds good.
So stay with us, and we are going to make both of these. We are Jeff and Mari. Let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is make the sriracha snack mix. Let me show you how to do it. Preheat your oven to 250 degrees. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to melt 4 tablespoons of salted butter in a saucepan. While the butter is melting, I'm going to add the snack mix ingredients to a large bowl. So the first thing is 2 cups of corn Chex cereal. Then I have 2 cups of rice Chex cereal. About 3 cups of pretzels. These are like some holiday pretzels, but you could really use whatever pretzels you want. If you want to do pretzel sticks, smaller pretzels, that's totally up to you. I just happen to have these, so that's what I'm going to use. And then I'm going to do a cup of nuts. This is a mix of cashews and pecans. You could use whatever nuts you want for this. So get all of that combined. And then I'm going to make the sauce ingredients, and we're going to pour that over the top. To the 4 tablespoons of salted melted butter, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of maple syrup. We're going to do a tablespoon of Sriracha chili sauce. Okay. All right, let's give this a stir. Wow, I can smell the sriracha. It's spicy. And now I'm going to pour this over the pretzels and the cereal and the nuts. Get all of that. Okay. Let's combine it. Now that everything is combined, and you want to really get in there, get everything off the bottom, just give it a really good toss. Being careful not to break the cereal or the pretzels. I have a sheet pan. This is the bigger one. It's not a half sheet size. It's a full. Lined it with some parchment paper. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. This smells so good. The butter, the sriracha, the syrup. Oh my goodness. I'm very excited about this one. Okay. Spread it out. Now I'm gonna put this in a 250 degree oven and bake it for 20 minutes. And then I'm going to take it out and give it a stir and put it back in for another 20 minutes. Then we're going to let it rest. And then we're going to give it a try. Because I'm pretty excited about this one. It smells great. Okay. This one is ready for the oven. Now I'm going to make the second snack mix, which is more of a savory, spicy mix. So let me show you how to make it. So just like the first snack mix recipe, you can just keep your oven on 250 degrees. And I'm going to now melt 2 sticks of butter, unsalted butter for this one. Because a lot of the ingredients are salty that are going in the snack mix, so we don't want to oversalt it. So let's just do 2. This one's making a lot more snack mix, which is why it's got quite a bit more butter. So 2 sticks, unsalted butter. We're going to melt that. Okay, got the large bowl back out. So these are the ingredients for the second snack mix. This is about 3 cups of corn Chex. Now again, this is going to be a lot more than the first snack mix. About 3 cups of rice Chex. You could do some wheat Chex in this if you wanted to. I just didn't happen to have any. I've got corn and rice, so that's what I'm going with. Then we've got 2 cups of cheddar cheese goldfish, 2 cups of oyster crackers, just plain oyster crackers. And then I have 2 cups of pretzel chips. Now, if you don't have pretzel chips or you can't find them in the store, just go with regular pretzels here. Okay. And then I'm going to do about 1 cup of nuts. And we like pecans, that's why I'm using that. But you could do mixed nuts, actually. I just, sometimes you use what you have. And in this case, pecans is what I have, and we just like them anyway. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a good mix, and then we'll put the topping together for this one. All right, to the 2 sticks of unsalted melted butter, I'm going to do 1/4 of a cup of Worcestershire sauce, a packet of ranch seasoning. This is a 1 ounce packet. This is why you definitely don't want to use salted butter here, because the Worcestershire sauce, the ranch seasoning, all that's going to have quite a bit of salt. Now this is quite a mix here. This has 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. I use light. You could use dark, whatever you have. Then I've got, let's see here. Sorry. Okay. Yeah, I've got the 1.5 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of onion powder, teaspoon of smoked paprika, and 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. So I'm going to go ahead and mix this in here. Okay. So this one is definitely savory, spicy, whereas, and it does have brown sugar. So we're going to see how much sweetness that actually gives this snack mix. Okay, that's all pretty well combined. Now, I'm gonna add it to the snack mix. Big old bowl of snack mix. Big old bowl. Here we go. Get everything off the bottom. All right. Now give this one a good mix. Snack mixes, are really kind of customizable. You don't have to use the same ingredients, the same kinds of cereals or crackers. I think it's more about the quantities that you want to get right, but you can use, like I said, if you want to use some wheat cereal in here, if you want to use mixed nuts, peanuts, whatever you want to put in here. I think you probably couldn't go wrong with just about anything like that. All right. So now I'm going to get my sheet pan, same size sheet pan that I used for the other snack mix. Put a piece of parchment paper on it. It cooks the same way. It's going to be 250-degree oven, 20 minutes. Then you want to take it out, give it a good stir, put it back in for another 20 minutes. And then we'll give it a try. Okay, the snack mix is done, and now we are going to give it a try. So I have 2 different snack mixes. One is the Sriracha spice, kind of sweet Sriracha snack mix, and then the second one is that savory spicy mix. So we're going to give both of them a taste and see what we think. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So let's just see.
Which one is this?
Sriracha. Oh. Well, you got a big one.
I wanted a pecan. That was super good.
Okay, but wait for it. It's like that. The Sriracha hits you on the back end. In a good way. In a good way.
I hadn't felt it.
Really? Well, here, maybe because you try another Chex. Oh, yeah. It's like, okay, Sriracha, I know you're there.
Okay, I got it.
Yeah. See? Oh, it's good. It's good. It has a nice sweet, right? It has a great flavor. It's almost like it tricks you. You're thinking, okay, this is a really sweet snack mix. But then in comes the Sriracha, right? It's
Seems
good.
like the Chex mix are carrying it.
Huh? The Chex mix?
The Chex mix are where the hottest. Oh, no, the pretzels are too.
Okay. Yeah, it kind of, the Sriracha kind of swoops in on the back there. But it's good. Do you like it?
Yeah, I think the more you eat, the hotter it gets.
This is the first one is spicy, but I think
It's really good.
it's delicious. Yeah, but you know, you definitely want to label it as such. Otherwise, people might be like, okay, that's got a kick. Now, here's the second one. This is more of a savory. Now, it did have that little bit of brown sugar, but I think this is gonna be pretty savory. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So let's give this a taste and see what we think. Wow. Okay, this one's not, even though it's got crushed red pepper flakes and some cayenne, it's not that hot at all, really, right?
No.
It just has a nice, it's very savory.
Yeah.
Kind of, it's got a good, I like the flavor. You like the flavor?
Mm-hmm.
Tastes really good. Which one do you like better?
Probably the Sriracha one.
The Sriracha one? Mm-hmm. But do you like this one?
I do.
Yeah. These are both good. And you really could, in the second one, you could amp up the heat with a little more crushed red pepper, a little more cayenne if you wanted to. But, yeah, this is good. This is nice and savory.
Make it this way before you add the cayenne pepper and the additional pepper to it.
Why?
To make sure they really want to add to it.
Oh, yeah. Make it the original recipe before, because that will make it definitely a lot more spicy. But yeah, the first one, the Sriracha.
Oh, that's what I meant. Yeah.
Yeah, this one's, I mean, really, they are both very good. But this one does have some heat and a kick, and it's just delicious. All right. Good stuff?
Good stuff.
You think it's crunchy enough?
It's pretty crunchy.
Well, thank you so much for watching our video. As always, we really appreciate your time. We would love for you to give us a thumbs up and show us that you liked it. Maybe leave a comment. Subscribe to our channel. So until next time, try some snack mix. Are you looking for some good snack mix ideas?
Yeah. Start over again.
Are you looking for some really good snack mix ideas?
Well, yes, I am.
Great, because we have two good recipes that we're going to make today. One is a Sriracha.
Yeah.